Hi guys, today we're making gluten-free, super delicious buckwheat and oat waffles. Despite the name, buckwheat is actually not related to wheat at all. And get this, it's actually a fruit. Or to be specific, it's a seed of the flowering fruit. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to refer to it as grain. You can buy buckwheat that's already milled, but I personally prefer to make my own flour out of it or to soak it overnight and blend it. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do for this recipe today. Okay, let's get started. First, rinse 1 cup of raw buckwheat groats. Cover it with filtered water and soak it overnight. Do the exact same thing with organic steel-cut oats. 1 cup, rinse, soak. So I've already soaked my grains the night before, and after about 6 hours of soaking, they get very soft, and at this point, they're really easy to blend. Toss the water and rinse them one last time. Before you move on to other steps, get out your waffle iron and start preheating. As you probably already know, I don't use any Teflon in my kitchen, and this is the only piece of appliance I own that has Teflon coating. But hear me out, okay? Not only do old stainless steel waffle irons cost a small fortune, upwards of $1,000, and can be very bulky, they also stick like crazy no matter how much oil you use. So this is one of the rare occasions I will say, pick your battles, and this one is just not worth it. What I'd recommend instead is using low temperature setting on your waffle maker. I'd rather spend extra time making the waffles instead of cracking the heat all the way up than risking any of the chemicals leaching into my food. Plus, if you take good care of it and use soft spatulas when flipping your waffles, it should last you a really long time. Okay, moving on. Place the soaked grains directly into your blender. Add in 3 tablespoons of cassava flour, 1½ cup of lactose-free organic buttermilk, 2 eggs, and make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature, by the way. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil. You can also use ghee or butter instead, and a pinch of salt. Now blend all the ingredients on high for about 30 seconds. At the very end, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and blitz for a few more seconds. Because we added baking soda and an acid in the form of buttermilk, we have a little reaction going on and our batter has expanded. And as always, full recipe and substitutions are listed in the description box below, so don't feel like you need to rush and take notes. Okay, at this point, you can start pouring the batter into your preheated waffle iron in small batches. Make them smaller than you think because they're going to expand further while cooking. You don't need to add any additional oils since we've added our coconut oil into the batter itself. I like to flip mine to make sure they're cooked evenly on both sides. Because the waffles are going to create condensation, I recommend lining your plate with cotton or linen towel to absorb excess moisture. These waffles are freezer friendly, so we usually make a big batch and freeze them to use as needed. They're pretty neutral, so they can be turned sweet or savory. My favorite way of enjoying these is with ghee, also known as clarified butter, and homemade jam, or as an avocado toast with poached egg on top. By the way, I have a few incredible jam recipes coming up, so don't forget to check it out. And if you guys are enjoying this video, it would mean a lot to me if you like it and leave a comment. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. So much fun content is coming your way very soon. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.